Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Neha, and if you have already been here, welcome back. In today's video, I will be creating this golden pink eye makeup look, which is quite suitable for any occasion or festival. This is quite a simple eye makeup look which I have created. If you want to know how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. So before starting your makeup, always moisturize your face. Here I have used the Dot & Key hyaluronic acid, and also I'm gonna use a moisturizer by Pond's. Now for primer, today I'm using the Insight 3-in-1 primer, and I'm gonna focus on my T-zone area. Next, for neutralizing my dark spots and my under eye circles, I am using the Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pot, which is somewhere near to my skin tone. The shade that I'm using here is 04, and I am using my fingers to apply the product. Next, for blending the product, I am using the 219 pack concealer brush. For foundation, today I am mixing L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 106 and the Milani foundation in the shade 04 beige. I'm gonna dot the foundation all over my face, and for blending the product, I'm using the PAC 265 foundation brush.
Lions roaring in the
Remaining whatever I have in my brush, I'm gonna drag it over my neck. For brightening up my under eyes and my nose, I'm using the Flower Beauty concealer in the shade Medium Honey. I'm applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose. And for blending it, again I'm using the same concealer brush.
morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy.
Today I'll be filling up my brows off camera, and I am gonna clean it up using the same concealer. So I'm just going to apply it on the borders and then gonna blend it. You can use this technique if you want to enhance your brows or you want to give a clean look to your brows. Moving ahead, I'm going to contour my face using the Huda Beauty contour palette in the shade Medium. I'm using the same brush to apply the product and to blend it. This product is quite creamy and blends pretty well onto your skin. This is very easy to blend and gives you a natural finish.
People are so insane. We must merely make a start.
I'm using this fluffy angled brush to contour my jawline, to hide my double chin, to give a chisel look to my face.
Savannah.
Next, for setting up the areas where I have applied concealer, I am using the Faces Canada Compact Powder. I'm mostly focusing on my smile lines and my under eye area. Now, to provide that warmth to my face, I'm using a bronzer from Milani. Bronzer is mostly used to set your contour. For providing a fresh look to your face, I am using a blush from the Savannah Colors blush palette. I have mixed I think the pink shade and the orange shade. I'm also applying a little bit on my nose. Time to set your makeup. Now for setting my base, I'm using the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. Now let's start playing with the colors. I am using the Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I'm using this light pink shade and start blending it in my crease area. I'll keep on adding and blending the shade to make it look soft. Next, I'm using this pink shade, which is slightly darker than the previous shade, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease area and start blending it. Now I'm using the spoolie provided in the eyeshadow palette and taking the eyeshadow on the edge and applying it on the lower lash line. Now I'm using this mauvey pink shade from the palette and applying it in the outer V. However, I was not quite happy with the color, so I switched to another eyeshadow palette. This one is from Beauty Glazed. I'm taking this mauvey pink shade and applying it in the outer V. I'm gonna blend the shadows to make it look soft. I'm taking this shimmer shade, golden shimmer shade from the same palette, and I'm using my fingers to apply the shadow. You can use a brush if you are not happy with the pigmentation. You can apply a little bit of setting spray on the brush and then you can apply the shimmer shade. I'm using the same shimmer shade with a brush on my lower lash line. Now for highlighting your brows, you can use any highlighting shade from the palette or your highlighter. Next, for highlighting my inner corner, today I am using this orange shimmer shade from the same palette. Time to curl my lashes, and then I am gonna apply a liner. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Liner. I'm just applying it on my lash line. I am trying to keep it as close as possible to my lash line. Anyways, I'm going to apply false lashes, so I don't have to be very precise. I just want to hide the gap between the lash line and the falsies. For mascara, I'm using the Wet n Wild 2-in-1 mascara. I'm just applying a thin layer of the mascara. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. For lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Matte as Hair Lip Crayon in the shade Rosalind. And I'm gonna top it off using the Color Bar Lip Gloss in the shade Shimmy. I've applied my falsies off camera, and this is how it looks after applying the falsies. Well, I'm not yet done with my eye look. However, I am going to move to my face again, and I'm gonna finish the look using the Milani highlighter, and this is in the shade 03. I'm applying it on the highest points of my face, like my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, also on my chin. Let's all take a breath. Savannah. Let's finish up the eye look. I'm using a black eyeshadow and applying it on the lash line to hide the lash band. So I'm smudging the eyeshadow on the lash band, and I'm also going to create a soft wing, extended wing on the outer V. I'm also going to apply a white kajal on my lower lash line, and this one is from Lakme Iconic. Now I'm gonna finish up the eye look using the same Wet n Wild 2-in-1 mascara on my lower lashes. And that completes the eye makeup as well as the full look. And this is the finished final look. Let me know if you enjoyed watching the video, and if this video was helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell. I'll leave you with the makeup look and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.